Cleveland, our hometown. We love this city because we built this city. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, First Energy Stadium, the Horseshoe Casino, Playhouse Square, the Cleveland Museum of Art, the Convention Center. For more than 100 years, the members of the Cleveland Building and Construction Trades Council have provided Cleveland with skilled craftsmen. This group of highly skilled workers has reinvented the cities and neighborhoods of Northeast Ohio generation after generation. Our experience and expertise is unmatched, allowing us to tackle jobs of every size and scope. Through the years, we've consistently met the professional construction challenges of commercial, industrial, medical, governmental, educational, and leisure facilities of Northeast Ohio with skill, care, and determination. From constructing the area's critical infrastructure to renovating prized landmarks and creating iconic structures for the future, we're proud of our role in defining our hometown. We are the Cleveland Building Trades. Our expertise comes from rigorously training our apprentices, both in the classroom and on the job. Once they become journeymen, the learning continues as they take additional training every year to stay on top of the newest industry dynamics and technology. From Cleveland's golden age to its renaissance today, we've continually invested ourselves in our city, and we believe the best is yet to come, and we intend to stay here until that bright future becomes a reality. That's why we raise our families here, shop at local businesses, and care about the neighborhoods in which we live, the churches we attend, and the schools that educate our children. From electrical workers, plumbers, carpenters, and painters, to roofers, insulators, masons, and many more, we represent over 10,000 workers from 31 local trades in 4 counties, and we've been doing it since 1913. Look around, and you'll see evidence of our hard work everywhere. From some of Cleveland's most famous buildings and bridges, to small projects completed in your town, our work has stood the test of time. We are the Cleveland Building and Construction Trades Council. We love Cleveland and all the counties of Northeast Ohio because we built them. And with every hour we work and every project we finish, we demonstrate our continued commitment to them.